welcome to my channel where we talk about fashion, beauty and lifestyle every week. Today I have come up with the festive series for you guys. In the last video we discussed about the festive makeup look, and today I would be telling you how you guys can make Besan Ladoos in just 15 to 20 minutes with the use of microwave. Before that, if you guys have not subscribed to my channel or are new to my channel, kindly subscribe it now and do share it with your friends and family. So now, without wasting much of the time, let's get our festivals more sweeter. So let's start with what all we would be needing. 2 cups of besan or gram flour, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of semolina or Sooji, half tablespoon of elaichi, some crushed dry fruits as per your choice, 12 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, or you guys can also take ghee. Now we'll take a large microwavable bowl. We'll start mixing our ingredients in this one. Here we added the unsalted clarified butter. Now we'll add the besan or gram flour in it. Then I'll put the 1 tablespoon of semolina or Sooji. Taking a spoon, I'll mix these ingredients properly. So friends, this would be the texture when we mix all the ingredients. Now let's put the mixture in the microwave for 1 minute. The best part for this recipe is you guys can do other work as well while making these ladoos. So now it's all done. Let's check how the mixture has turned out. So if you guys can see, the color has changed a bit. Now we'll take a spoon and we would be mixing the mixture again properly. We'll keep it for another 1 minute. So it has started becoming coarse. So now let's stir it one more time properly and then we'll put it in the microwave for 1 more minute to go. So let's put it back to microwave and check what the next texture would be. Here it is, more coarser and more cooked. Now let's mix it one more time. Before putting it back to the microwave, in this step, I would be adding the elaichi powder to it and mix it properly. Let's put it back to the microwave for 1 more minute to go. So I have taken it out and now it has become more coarser. So for this step, I would be adding the crushed dry fruits in it and then mixing it properly. Now let's put it back to the microwave for the last time for 1 minute. While putting the crushed dry fruits in the last step, these dry fruits get roasted properly and they give you a very nice flavor while having the ladoos. So hope you guys can see it. It has turned out to be light brown in color and the besan is properly being cooked. So I would be mixing it again and then keep it aside for like 10 minutes. So now let's mix it properly. 10 to 12 minutes. We would be mixing the powdered sugar in it. Then we would properly give it a stir and mix everything nicely. So here I have mixed everything nicely. Now for the final step, we would be taking some butter and grease our hands properly. We'll take a small amount of the mixture and then putting the gentle pressure, we'll make the circular balls, and when it's like half done, then I'll put a sliced dry fruit to it, and then pressing it firmly, I'll make the laddus. So this is the laddu as you guys can see it, and in the same manner we would be making rest of the laddus. So now, are you guys planning to make laddus this time in your festive season and make your festival sweeter? So friends, bye bye. Happy Diwali to all. Happy festivals.